So hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear all the filters on a Power BI report and how to create bookmark in Power BI services. So just open the any report and click in the edit option, this one, and select the view tab, and here is the option is bookmark pane. Just click and on the bookmark pane and click the add option. So here a one bookmark is created. Bookmark basically capture the status of your pages, report page, and just click and rename. I kept the name is clear and create one button also. Here's the option of button, reset button. First click the button and click on the action tab, and he will select a bookmark and select our bookmark name, clear filter. Okay, now with time to check our bookmark, just select any slicer and click the button. It back to the our bookmark saving page. So this is a video for how to clear all filters on a Power BI report. Thank you.